Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Kev.
And
we're the Klar brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. Wow, have you seen our Facebook and our YouTube and Instagram?
YouTube is going. We got an Instagram channel?
Don't we?
Yeah, we got an Instagram channel, baby.
I forget. Holy
We've
cow.
got a whole team of professionals behind the scenes.
Yeah.
managing all
It's
that
a
stuff.
darn good thing. Man, but buddy, you got all this stuff for my birthday?
Well, before we get started on that, we got to tell them how they can make sure they don't miss
Okay,
a single
that
moment
makes
of our
sense. That
hilarity.
makes sense.
They got to
Yeah.
hit the subscribe button, turn
on the post notifications,
give us a
give us
thumbs
a thumbs up. That's right.
Go to our YouTube channel, Brothers Bistro, baby.
And you're looking for me, Musclehead Kev, and that's Skinny Kenny. So
That's right. That's us.
we're gonna go shopping because we've got a really cool and easy recipe today, right, brother?
Well, it's our birthday,
Right.
right? So nobody wants to cook on their birthday.
No, I definitely don't want to cook.
So we're going to go to the grocery store and we're going to show everyone how to do a quick and easy, lean and green, right out of the grocery store. Very, very little prep.
Well, that sounds awesome.
Yeah, I agree. So let's get to the grocery store.
All right, we'll be back before you know it.
We're gonna get the protein now.
Okay.
So I gotta get my mask on. Okay, so the chicken, it's whole roasted. It's already done. It's genius.
This is the typical bistro thing.
All right. Cool. Here we go, Brothers Bistro, at it again. We're doing
My
it.
brother forgot his mask.
We're doing it. We're here. We're gonna get the Bold House dressing. Let's follow. Ooh, which one do you like, bro?
Well, my brother's a ranch guy. I like the cilantro avocado.
All right, well, put that in the cart. Here, come over here. Come over here. See, look at that. $5 to get a whole bag. You don't get the dressing, but we got the dressing. So we're good to go. Here.
We're back.
Yeah, we are.
We got all our stuff from the store, and now we've got it laid out here, right?
Right, it's not. There's not much to it, right?
No,
a little
there's really
chicken,
not.
a little salad. We got our salad. We just took it out of the bag, put it in the bowl. We got 2 dressings. We
Right.
recommend you put the dressing on after you plate it, but we wanted you to see the dressings. So they're both Bolt House, which is kind of cool. 40 calories per serving.
They're yogurt based, so they're a little lighter in the calorie department, but they aren't light in flavor.
Yeah.
So that's the key.
And you can get a lot of calories in a dressing, so you definitely
Yep.
want to be careful. We recommend you keep the dressing on the side. Some people actually even dip their fork in the dressing and they eat it bite by bite that way. And then we got this chicken. What are you
That's
going to
right.
do with this, bro?
Okay, so this is already seasoned and already cooked, so it's ready to go. Now, if you want to be healthier, you're going to take the skin off. But for now, we're just going to walk through it. So this is going to serve 4 people. So we've got basically the breast gets cut in half, and the leg and thigh, and leg and thigh. That's the 4 pieces. The wing doesn't have
I want
much.
the leg and the thigh.
All right, so his parts over here, we cut through, we cut over, and we get down right to the bone where this thing intersects, and that's his leg and
A
thigh,
little bit
right?
there. So let's plate that bad boy just so we get it out of the way.
Okay, here we go. And then we'll put it over there, and then I'm going to cut off the other one just because it's right here, kind of ready to go. We're going to get it all ready. Give me another plate here, brother. And then we're going to get it all ready, so that's all ready to go. And then the chicken breast basically just gets cut right down the middle. And you can see that
for
little
portion
bone.
sizing, it's hard to do it with the bones in, but generally for dark meat, you want 5 ounces. That's a healthy portion size. And for white meat, you want 6 ounces. So the
That's
white
right.
meat is going to have a little bit bigger serving.
So that's your serving size, or that's the serving portion for the white meat. It's a little more than the dark meat because the dark meat's more fatty. So we're going to plate this up for you
And we'll
with
be
our
right-
salad on it, and we'll be right back.
Yeah, we're going to come right back.
Wow, this looks good, buddy.
Right? And it was super simple.
Ah, all right, you got to pan in and see this. This is really good. Look, he's got his dark meat. I got the light meat. We've got a little bit of salad right there and a little bit of dressing. We only forgot the one thing.
That's right. Let's cheese it up, baby.
Cheese it up. Okay, now we're ready to go. So, you want to try a little bite?
Sure. I don't need any friggin' utensils. Just bring it.
Okay.
That's good.
Wow.
And super simple, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, again, if you like what you saw, check us out on YouTube. We got lots of recipes where this one came from.
That's right. Smash the likes, turn on the post notifications, and give us a big thumbs up.
And try not to eat with your mouth full.
That's right.
Brothers
Brothers Bistro, out.